Bye guys. Nice to meeting you once again. Have fun. Stay safe. Good morning, Vietnam! Woo! Oh my god, I feel way better than motorbike. I need to confess something. When I was packing all my stuff on the motorbike, I lost one of the stripes. I checked all my luggage, couldn't find it. Then I went to the owner of the hotel and it was hanging on the scooter that was just parked beside my motorcycle. Whew. Sometimes shit happens. Maybe cars is over here too. Here you need to wait for a gentleman or the lady who will refuel your motorbike. You cannot do it by yourself. 95? Too full. Look like country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, not my life. Maybe it's not West Virginia, but still Vietnam is a great place to ride a motorbike. Wow. I mean, I'm impressed with all the farmers working here in North Vietnam. They're so strong. After seeing all of that, you start to appreciate more life. And your problems are no problems. We are so stressed out with such a small, shitty things. That really doesn't matter in life. Look at that! I mean, it's beautiful. It reminds me a little bit of Scotland, but of course more exotic.
Just a few miles from Yen Minh, where I was sleeping, the road was climbing higher and higher, and the views were getting better with every corner. People often ask me, do I feel lonely during my trips? The answer is no. Like on Ha Giang Loop, every day I was meeting new people, and later in a day, I saw them on the road.
How was your evening? Woo!
Yeah, great.
You make your hair?
Oh, I have short hair. Thank you for the offer.
We had a good stay in a very quiet homestay.
I saw when you were turning right.
Yeah, it was
Because
like,
I recognize your jacket.
yes, in bungalows.
I love your bike, sorry.
Yeah, it's
It's amazing.
fantastic.
Yeah, the Triumphs are really
Yeah.
nice. It's my style.
Yeah.
If I could drive one, I would definitely drive one of these.
Yeah.
Thế thì vừa lấy mình.
Sorry, I don't speak. Sorry. Okay, that was interesting experience. I mean, I don't feel too good when the young children I used to gain money, especially young girls, and there were plenty of them standing in the heat. I think those girls should be in a school learning something new and then decide what they want to do for life. No helmets, hairnets with a ponytail, flip-flops.
Here in Vietnam, nobody wears protective gear.
So probably you're wondering where that path gonna lead me. To the toilet! Yeah! And over here on the viewpoint you have very small local market, bar, everything that the travelers might need. Oh, some eggs, some meat. Oh, sorry. And the eggs and everything. Bye bye. Wow, what a road! Woo! Right now we are in the residency of King Mel, which was built around 1898, and they spent 150,000 of white silver coins to build it. Let's check it out, it was worth it. Honestly, I think you would expect something bigger, more astonishing. And it's really modest residency. Of course, there's some luxurious furniture over here, handcrafted. But still, when you think about residency of a king, and now I'm heading over here to see the giant flag of Vietnam in a little bit different scale.
I'm heading to Long Cu to see the flag tower, which is located at northernmost point of the country. From there, you can easily see China. Here on the roads, you need to be all the time concentrated, because you never know who's hiding around the corner.
I finally got to Dong Van.
Bloody tired. The heat today was insane. And do you remember when I was warning you about the booking rooms in Vietnam? To be careful, because some of them don't have windows? Well, today I made a mistake. Look, no window. Not at all. I'm very glad that there's air conditioning over there. There's a small bathroom over here. But no window. Fuck.
Sometimes when you're a little bit tired of local cuisine, you start to look for the different restaurants, and that's how I get into the Italian restaurant in the middle of northern mountain in Vietnam. And I ordered pizza. Cheers. Molto bene. Guys, cheers for the second day on the loop of Ha Giang.
Hey, quý vị hãy cùng các bạn ở đâu là các cô chú bên phải, các anh chị bên trái nào.
The quiet square was quickly transformed into a disco. The evening ended with a campfire and traditional song. If you recognize it, leave the comment below.
Hoa ngọn lửa rất an toàn, quý vị cứ chăm bình tĩnh là một ngọn lửa dầu rất an toàn. Quý vị hãy cùng cầm tay nhau và đi một vòng tròn thật rộng lớn đó quý vị.